Every cleaning business reaches a point where growth starts to feel like pressure. More leads, more clients, more bookings, but also more texts to reply to, more no-shows to chase, and more work that needs your attention. So what do most owners do? They try to hire help, but that adds payroll, training, and even more overhead. There's a smarter way. What if your business could handle more jobs without hiring more people? That's the power of automation. Go High Level is a CRM platform that automates the parts of your cleaning business that slow you down. Follow-ups, appointment reminders, quote approvals, review requests, all handled automatically. And at WebIE, we built a complete automation system on top of it, made specifically for cleaning businesses. You don't have to build a thing. Our system comes preloaded with all the workflows, messages, pipelines, and scheduling flows, already connected and ready to run. Instead of hiring more staff, you're hiring a system that works 24/7, with zero payroll, zero burnout, and no missed follow-ups. If you're ready to grow your cleaning business without adding to your team, click the link in the description and access the WebIE system built on Go High Level.